Good morning, it's Sunday, and we're making peach cobbler ice cream. Roasted peaches, brown sugar custard, cobbler crumbles. I took your grandma's cobbler, gave it structure, and froze it into something with real swagger. Let's go. Roasted peaches, crunchy cobbler, oh, and the ice cream base? It's velvety, dramatic, and frankly, a little too proud of itself. This is how you turn peaches into something scoop-worthy. A little heat, a little sugar, and zero respect for moderation. First, hack up your peaches. Peeling? Yeah, we're doing this the stubborn way. No blanching, just a steak knife and questionable technique. Once your peaches have been weighed, add your brown sugar, white sugar, a splash of lemon juice, cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and your vanilla, because everything wants to feel like dessert, even fruit. Toss it all together until it looks like summer's best mistake. Dump that peach pile onto a sheet pan. Spread it out so each piece roasts and caramelizes. Then escort your soon-to-be cobbler stars to the oven. Once golden and jammy, pull them out and let them chill. They earned it. We're making a brown sugar custard. Sweet, rich, and emotionally unavailable. Exactly what I asked for. Pot on the scale. Accuracy first, regrets later. Pour in your heavy cream, whole milk, brown sugar, and egg yolks. No tempering, no fear, no extra dishes. Whisk it up until everything is best friends and there are no rogue yolks. On the heat it goes, medium-low. Patience is the secret ingredient. Once thick enough, yank it off. It's time to strain. This step says, I care even when I barely do. Vanilla goes in last so it stays bright. Your mandatory pinch of salt, and the final swirl. Cover and let it chill. Honestly, this crumble could have been the whole dessert. I considered eating it and pretending the ice cream never happened. Butter. A generous, unapologetic pool of it, melted low and slow until it's liquid gold. This is the reason people pretend they care about oats. Weigh out those oats, then give them a quick blitz. Mostly fine with a rebel chunk or two. See that? Exactly what we want. Add those perfectly imperfect oats into a bowl with flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt. Mix until combined. Pour in that liquid gold. Stir it up until it's shaggy and irresistible. Spread that mess onto a baking sheet so it crisps up nice and even. Then send it off to the oven. Once golden and smelling like dreams, cool to the touch. Break it up, big, small, whatever vibe you want. I like a little chunk for crunch drama. Set it aside and try not to eat it all. Now that our peaches have cooled, let's take half the batch and add it to a food processor. Blend that up until it's nice and smooth. Add it to a small bowl and refrigerate. Take the other half of the batch and let's chop it up to whatever desired chunkiness you prefer. Add that to a bowl and reunite with the others. It's churning time. Pour that luscious custard into your machine like you're baptizing it in luxury. Put that baby together and off to Phyllis. Yes, my ice cream maker has a name. Salt and ice layered around the canister, then flip the switch on and let her spin. Your work is done. Hers has just begun. Once churned and fabulous, scoop that soft serve perfection into a pre-chilled bowl. We're about to accessorize. First, the crunchy cobbler crumble, followed by those chopped peaches. Give it a gentle fold. Ribbons, not soup. Swirl responsibly. Bring out your container of choice and add your peach crumble mix like you're painting with flavor. Drop in swirls of peach puree. Use a skewer and give it a light swirl. Think marbled masterpiece, not peach vortex. Repeat building your layers, then lid on and into the freezer. Check it out. Good things come to those who wait. Peach cobbler reimagined, rebuilt, and frozen into a scoop that finally has its life together. All credit goes to peak season peaches, brown sugar, and my complete inability to leave well enough alone. We took a classic cobbler, cranked up the drama, and turned it into a frozen masterpiece with layers, texture, and just the right amount of flair. See you next Sunday.